Well, the prayers of the nation are with them. And as those search and rescue efforts continue, many are asking, how does this happen? Well, the National Weather Service says its Central Texas office was prepared for the devastating storms. Weather Service records show forecasters warned of flooding 12 hours before the storm, then issued more urgent warnings in the early morning hours before the Guadalupe River reached flood stage. But there are still questions about whether those warnings reached victims in an area with sometimes spotty cell phone coverage and no local warning siren system.
There will be another flood, there will be another disaster. But next time there's a flood, I hope we have in place processes to remove especially the most vulnerable from harm's way.
The Forecasters Union agrees.
Yeah, the union says about 600 people left the agency in the last year, in addition to 100 probationary employees who were laid off following budget cuts.